Now let's look at your Facebook ads bidding, budgets, and schedules. This is under the ad set level when you're creating a Facebook campaign. Here you can adjust your ads budget, schedule, delivery, and bids. The first thing you need to understand to master bidding on Facebook ads is that your ads are all part of an auction. When you're creating a new Facebook ad campaign, you're joining a giant worldwide auction and ultimately bidding to show your ads to your selected detailed targeting group. Facebook ad bidding strategy is often debated online. Should I use auto bidding or bid manually? Sadly, there's no right or wrong answer. But my philosophy is three things. Facebook has pumped billions of dollars and billions of ads through their platform. Their algorithms and automatic bidding, the default system, is very optimized. But I will advise you to double check whenever manual bidding is an option. So if you have a limited budget, limit your bid price. But do know, by lowering your bid, you will be limiting your impressions or times your ad is shown. Now on the flip side, if your ad is successful and has a high conversion rate or a high return on investment, manually bid the highest so you can assure your ad appears in front of your desired detailed target audience. So to adjust your Facebook ad budget, schedule, delivery, and bidding, when you create your ad, on this second tier under ad set, go to budget and scheduling in the left sidebar. So here you'll set your budget, adjust your ad schedule, choose delivery options, and if possible, select your bidding preference. A common question I get from clients: what is the difference between your budget and your amount spent? The budget is the amount of money you're willing to pay to have your ads from your ad set shown over the period or schedule you set it to run. You set a budget for each ad set you create. You're telling Facebook how much you're willing to spend to show your ads to people in your target audience. Now, amount spent, this is the amount you actually end up paying. How much money was used from that budget? You determined on your ad set level. Usually your ad sets will spend most, if not all, of your budget. Facebook always seems to make sure of it. So set your max budget, and then once the ad runs, you'll see the actual amount spent. It won't go over that max budget. So Facebook enables you to use a daily or lifetime budget. This is truly your preference, and honestly, I've ran many of each and see no delivery differences. But some people like to see their daily spend and calculate it that way, while others like to set a lifetime spend over a specific schedule. For the most part, I'm creating evergreen ads for my clients, so I'm setting that daily budget and running it continuously. But say you have a sale or Black Friday's coming up. This is a great opportunity to set up a lifetime budget and choose that specific schedule. I only want my ad to show for these 5 days, and then launch that campaign. Daily budgets have two options. You can run that ad set continuously. So once you launch that ad, starting today, it'll run forever until you pause it or end it. Second, you can set a start and end date. So like that lifetime budget, we can set that schedule. Unless I'm running a promo or helping a forgetful person build ads, I usually use the run continuously. Why? Because I'm constantly A/B split testing ad sets and ads. So I either toggle losing ads off, or I scale up the budget for winners. I constantly split test at $5 or $10 daily budgets, toggle off the losers, scale the winners up to a higher daily budget. Lifetime budgets require you to set that lifetime date range. Daily, you can toggle between the two. Lifetime requires it because it's a lifetime. It's a finite budget. Now below this budget and schedule section, you'll be given the option for optimization for ad delivery. Here you'll choose how you want Facebook to deliver ads to people based on what you're trying to achieve. Your optimization for ad delivery selection is seeking that result for the lowest cost. Each ad objective has varying ad delivery options, but the default selection for each is what Facebook has optimized that ad objective for. These optimizations are typically CPM, or cost per impressions, which is cost per 1,000 views of your ad, or CPC, which is cost per link click, or CPA based, which is cost per action, such as app installs. I use the default setting for this field typically, as Facebook has more data than me. So you may know the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I will delve into a few split tests I like to do under this optimization for ad delivery selection. Another option available under budget and schedule is ad scheduling. Ad scheduling only works with the lifetime budgets. So once you set your lifetime budget, scroll down to this ad scheduling, and then you can select run ads on a schedule. Ad scheduling is great if you know your target market's active time on Facebook. To find your users' most engaged times, analyze your Facebook page insights. Analyze your e-commerce purchase times and dates. Analyze your target market's time zone, etc. Your ads will be served in your audience's time zone. For example, if you select 8 to 10 a.m., your ad will be served to people from 8 to 10 a.m. in their local time zone. So one thing I like to do here is scroll through my Facebook page and look at all my past posts. You can see at varying times of day which one got the most engagement. What day of the week is best for my post? That tells me when my clients or users are online, or specifically on Facebook. Again, you can delve deeper into this via your Facebook page insights. Delivery on Facebook means they have shown your ad to someone in your target audience. Facebook delivers your ad to the people most likely to get you the result your ad set is optimized for, and at the cheapest cost. The two delivery types you can choose from for your ad set include standard and accelerated. One note though, you can only choose accelerated delivery if you're using manual bidding, not automatic bidding. Let's look at an example of standard versus accelerated. Each line represents an ad set with a $15 budget. Bottom is time. The up and down is percent of budget spent. So look at that top gray line. This is an example of spending your budget on an accelerated delivery schedule. You're spending it as fast as possible. The middle blue line is an example of spending your budget optimally each day. Then the bottom red line is an example of spending your budget too conservatively and underbidding and not using your entire budget. Therefore, not delivering your ad to as many people in your target market as possible. Not all Facebook ad objectives allow manual bidding. Once you select manual, you will then have the option to change your delivery type. One note though, when you select accelerated, it gives you the warning. Since accelerated delivery shows your ads as often as possible, your average cost may increase and ads may stop delivering before the scheduled end time. But the good thing is you won't spend more than your budget. It's accelerated for a reason. Say you have a webinar closing in 30 minutes. We want an accelerated schedule to get as many people to sign up for my webinar as possible. Not the standard one, which is pacing throughout a 24-hour day. So now let's delve into some actual examples of where I like to split test at this budget and scheduling level. So just select your ad objective, then go to that budget and scheduling section at the ad set level. So when I said Facebook has a truly great and optimized automatic bidding system, it truly does. But when ad bidding is available in the ad, it's worth double checking in my opinion. You don't want to pay too much for your ad results. So reach ads allow for manual bidding. Now traffic ads allow for manual bidding as well. For post engagement ads, nothing special here, just the basic budget and schedule layout. But one note, for post engagement ads, this is an area I like to A/B split test. So for these post engagement ads, under the optimization for ad delivery section, post engagement is the default. But in some specific business niches, I've gotten way better results by selecting impressions under this optimization option. So feel free to split test here for your post engagement ads. Next, for app install ads, try split testing app installs versus link clicks under this ad delivery option. Link clicks are the default here, but I prefer optimizing for the result I want, i.e. app installs. From my experience, selecting app installs here isn't much more expensive. Plus, I'm optimizing for delivery to people who are more likely to install the app. That's the action I want for app install ads. Why not optimize for it? For conversion ads, split test at the conversion window section, so the default is 7 days after the click. This is truly your preference as to when you want to track when a conversion still counts. If the potential customer doesn't convert on day one, is that a fail to you? Many clients of mine only want to track day one conversions. So for them, I use the 1 day click or view option. So this is in case the customer stops and views your ad on Facebook, sees your branding, and doesn't click the ad, rather Googles your brand and then converts. Also in conversion ads, if you know you can spend $20 per conversion, select that max. Facebook will blast this ad at that maximum bid price per conversion. So if you know your max conversion price, go for it.